Are you tired of complicated makeup routines? Let's simplify things with these natural makeup tips. Start with a lightweight foundation or a tinted moisturizer that matches your skin tone. Dab on a bit of concealer under your eyes, one shade lighter than your foundation for that fresh, awake look. Add a subtle blush in peach or pink to give your cheeks a natural flush. For the eyes, define your brows using a brow pencil or powder. Sweep a light brown or neutral eyeshadow across your lids. Finish off with a light to medium coverage mascara. Finally, for the lips, go with a lightweight lip balm or lip gloss in a neutral color. Remember, natural makeup is all about enhancing your features, not hiding them. Thanks for tuning in. Try these simple steps and let your natural beauty shine.